Going to give you guys a few regulatory updates this week. All right, so the first one is Merck prevails in US safety litigation over Gardasil HPV vaccine. So this happened, the plaintiffs in this case are plaintiffs who received Gardasil between 2012 and 2021. They claim the vaccine caused them increased heart rates and premature ovarian failure. The CDC recommends this vaccine for 11 to 12-year-olds to prevent cervical and other kinds of cancers caused by HPV. And it was on March 11th that a judge ruled in favor of Merck in litigation, accusing them of concealing the risks. So things seem to be okay. Next, this happened on March 10th. Robert Kennedy Jr. directed the FDA to revise safety rules to eliminate a provision that allows companies to self-affirm the ingredients are safe. And this would increase transparency for the consumers because currently the FDA encourages manufacturers to submit notices under the substances generally recognized as safe rule, but they can also self-affirm these substances without alerting the FDA. So this change that he wants to make would require companies to publicly notify the FDA and send supporting data of these ingredients. Next, we were just talking about Dexcom. Dexcom receives FDA warning letter for 2 US manufacturing facilities. It was published that on March 7th, the FDA issued warning letters following inspections at 2 manufacturing facilities in San Diego, California, and Mesa, Arizona. They identified issues in manufacturing process and quality management systems. And so Dexcom has submitted responses to the Form 483, and this form is a type of report containing observations that the FDA inspectors claim to be objectionable. And last but not least, the US FDA expands the use of ARS Pharma's allergic reaction nasal spray in 15 to 30 kilogram patients. So they expanded, or they had a new population now for this device. And on March 5th, the FDA approved the expanded use. And this is in patients between 15 to 30 kilograms. This spray will be dosed at 1 milligram for this new patient population. And previously, it was 2 milligrams for people that weigh above 30 kilograms. And this is a kind of alternative to like an EpiPen, but it's a nasal spray and it's to prevent severe anaphylaxis. This was first approved in August, and they're hoping that they can have the first dosages available to patients by May. And those are some updates this week.
Thank you.